Today we are here to repair the instrument panel of a Buick LaCrosse. The fault phenomenon of this instrument is that the fault light is cold and on. The display screen in the middle is a black screen. This is basically caused by problems with the instrument itself. Now we are repairing and disassembling the instrument panel. We have now disassembled this motherboard. After disassembling, we conducted a fault analysis of this motherboard under a microscope. Let's focus on it. Found that the window is not available, right? So in that case, let's start with the data. Try brushing it. Give it a try. After finishing the flashing, charge it and check if the model is working properly. For the convenience of finding problems, we'll take this from the original car, replace the integrated circuit as well. Find our corresponding integrated circuit model. Directly write good data. Now the device prompts that the data has been swiped successfully. Verification completed. We removed the integrated circuit and placed it on our instrument panel. On the main board, now add the oscilloscope and test it. If we measure it now, the waveform is okay, right? As for the power bureau, it can also run on a single board, about 500 milliamperes. Now put my screen on. Let's focus on it. See if the display is normal. Take a look later. Electric current, you can run close to us, around 810 amps. The current display of the meter is normal, so our Buick LaCrosse instrument panel cannot be turned on. Give Layati the maintenance number for this problem. Thank you all for watching.